All right, back up here again, as always. You know, I don't want to be up here, but you know, it's a life of owning these kind of cars and stuff with these streets and roads and so on. But look, I want to show a quick video right quick from the previous in the link. I had a problem with one of my tires. This is the only thing I can say about being an EV owner. EV cars, I don't worry about no maintenance or anything. It's just tires. Sometimes they do eat the tires up pretty well. It does. With the center of the tire gets chewed up a lot. No matter if the alignment is perfect, you got to do sometimes with the camber to get like an aftermarket camber deal, which I never did it on this car before. But I just want to show. I just want to show you what you do your thing. You're gonna do your thing. I just want you to see the EV cars, how bad they are with it. Yeah, see, look at this. Oh, I'm living on the edge right there. That ain't safe out here, so that's the only problem. I mainly have a problem with this with my cars, basically. So I ain't gotta worry about no maintenance, which is a good thing. It's a plus. I don't have to do no oil change and so on. It's just these tires though. But by this being a heavy car, and then like I said, this one got air ride suspension and so on, but the camber sometimes they tend to do its thing, so the tires eat up in the inside of pretty well, if that makes sense. So I can say this only, I can say a downfall of, you know, the EV, because it's so heavy, it just eat up tires after so long though. But hey, I'll take that over getting oil changes and transmission fluids and so on, you know, all that kind of maintenance that you have to do, which just don't really require too much, but just washer fluid, I would say. So hey, that's my thing with that, and that's my opinion. That's how I feel about it. So hey, EV all the way for me, baby. I would never consider buying any more ICE cars. So hey, I'm fully committed. It's your boy EV Smoke. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. We got more to come. Peace. The Audi. Yeah, we gonna run it back. Yeah, he had a problem. He got a nice car, man. He got carbon fiber fenders and hood. It's pretty fast though. He just had a problem too. Just like I raced Demonology with the Demon 170. Right. I had a problem with my car. You know, some stuff was going on, made my car go into limp mode because it was taking too long to stage because they was messing with my parachute pin and all that mess, and it threw me off. And when you're doing that, man, you gotta have your mind right, and you gotta know your car, so timing and everything. So I appreciate that, man. I ain't gonna hold you up though. Appreciate that. That's one of my subscribers there, man. You know, he said he followed the channel, watch what I'm doing. I appreciate that. That's all love. So hey, your boy EV Smoke gets love out here. You know what I'm saying? Hey, can't knock that. I just hate I was made up here right before closing, because I know I used to work in the tire business back in the day. I know how that is, man. You ready to get up out there on a Friday night to go do your thing. You got last minute customers pulling up to get some stuff done, but I appreciate Discount Tire right here in Round Rock, Texas, off 35, right in front of the Target. They always take good care of me though, man, you know, so I can't complain, you know. So it's your boy signing out. So like, share, subscribe to the channel. We got more to come. Peace. Alrighty, they got me ready here. Look at that look. I like that look. The air ride suspension is not up yet, but I like the look though. I can't ride like that though, but when I start driving, it's gonna let up though. But they got me right here, like always, here at the Discount Tires in Round Rock, Texas, baby. But yeah, I was can't play with that safety, man. You know what I'm saying? That tire was ball on the inside and ready to separate, and definitely out here in this hot Texas heat, we don't need them problems. I'll make sure I got my key fob. So yeah, that's my key fob there for this one here, for my OG. They used to give you these here. But the newer ones and so on, we just use our phones or the key card. But yeah, this your boy signing out. Like I say, at Discount Tires right here in Round Rock, Texas. The one at 315, the one right in front of the Target, I always go to. It's a good little drive from where I'm at though, but it's worth it though. They always take care of me. The crew and staff, they really take care of your boy. So like, share, subscribe to the channel. You got any questions or comment, say what you want to say, Keep it respectful though, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy. Peace. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.